What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account and delete it for good. Like you want to really vanish from Instagram social media, you don't want to have your presence anymore here on the platform. I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your account. This might be due to various reasons, only you know the exact reason in here that will make you delete it, but I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few steps. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help with fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now here we are on my Instagram account. The very first thing we need to do is tap on these three bars at the top right corner. Next up, we'll tap in here in Accounts Center real quick, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to Personal Details. Tap once on Personal Details, and then on Personal Details, you'll be able to see your contact info, like your phone number, your email address, as well as your birthday and stuff like that. Next up, tap here on Account Ownership and Control, and you'll be able to see in here deactivation or deletion. Simply tap once on it, and then you just need to select your IG account again, and then you need to select whether you want to deactivate or to permanently delete. Now please note that if you deactivate, you can reactivate it in the future. You can still reactivate your account if you change your mind, but in case you want to permanently delete it, simply tap on delete account and then tap on continue, and this will permanently delete your account. Next up, simply make sure that this will delete your Threads profile as well if you do have one, and then tap on continue, and then it's going to ask you why you actually wish to delete your Instagram account. I can go with the just need a break, I can find people to follow. I'll be going with privacy concerns, which makes more sense, and then I'm going to tap on continue, and it's going to ask me whether I want to rethink and actually perform something else. No way, I'm going to tap on continue, and then it's going to ask me if I want to download my files, like my photos, videos and stuff like that, before I actually delete my account. Next up, simply tap here on continue, and it's going to ask you for your password. You need to re-enter your password in order to ensure that you really are the owner and that you really have authority to actually delete your Instagram account. Next up, simply tap on continue, and you will be able to delete your account and remove your presence permanently here from Instagram social media. If you have any doubt or any question, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.